To add sections in Card, use a feature called section breaks. These allow you to divide a single-page website into multiple organized parts, making your layout easier to navigate and giving the impression of separate pages within one continuous site. To begin, open your Card dashboard and select the website you want to edit. Click Edit Site to enter the visual builder where all your elements are arranged. Once inside the editor, click the Add Element button. This is usually found in the menu and is represented by a plus icon. From the list of available elements, choose Control. Inside the Control settings, change the type to Section Break. This is the key feature that tells Card where one section ends and another begins. Next, give your section a name. This name should be short, simple, and written in lowercase letters only. For example, you can use names like About, Services, or Contact. This name becomes the section ID used for navigation links. After naming it, drag the section break to the position in your layout where you want the page to split. Everything above and below this marker will be treated as separate sections once the site is published. You can repeat this process multiple times to create as many sections as needed. Each section can contain different content such as text, images, buttons, or forms, allowing you to organize your site more clearly. To make the sections interactive, you can link buttons or text elements to each section using anchor links. For example, using a link like #about will automatically scroll the user to the About section when clicked. In the published version of your site, Card will automatically handle the navigation between sections. When users click a link, the page will smoothly jump or scroll to the correct section, making the experience feel like a multi-page website. You can also combine sections with headers and footers to create a consistent layout where navigation stays in place while content changes below. And that's how you add sections in Card. Open the editor, insert a section break, name it, place it in your layout, and use anchor links to organize your page into clean, easy-to-navigate parts.